Today in this video I show you how to make your Instagram account private after making it a business account. You can see if I open my Instagram app and then click on profile icon, open menu by this icon. Now scroll down to find account privacy. Open account privacy. Now if I want to make my business account private by turning on this private account toggle, click on switch to private. Then as you can see, I cannot make my business account private, and it is written that if I want to make my account private, then first I have to switch to a personal account. To switch my business account into personal, I will go back and open business tools and controls. Now click on switch account type and then click on switch to personal account. Again click on switch to personal account. If I open account privacy and turn on private account toggle, click on switch to private. You can see my Insta account is turned into private account. So this is how you can make Instagram account private after making it a business account. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.